Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com, and this is the Turbo Outlaw 6-inch waterproof from Ariat. Be safe and stylish in these super durable work boots. These work boots have a soft toe construction that meets the ASTM 2892-18 standards with electrical hazard safety standards as well. These lace-up work boots are a full-grain leather construction with a lightweight design with plenty of flexibility in the upper and a waterproof protection on the top to really help get this shoe super dry and keep it clean. With the waterproof, it has a Waterproof Pro membrane on the inside there that keeps the wet and the rain out while keeping your foot environment super dry and comfortable. It has a mesh lining on the inside there for even more breathability. And it's got a lot of cushioning in that collar and that tongue, especially in the heel area, to make sure you're super safe and secure. It's got a pull tab here on the back to help get the boot on a little bit easier. And it has a protective ExGuard on the toe there with a spider web design, as well as on the heel with the Ariat logo going across there to make sure it's super sturdy and secure. It comes with a removable ATS Energy Max Rebound foam insole that provides long-lasting shock absorption and underfoot support, and it has a 100% non-metallic safety technology construction that is completely metal detector friendly. It has a 90-degree heel on the back there for added stability, and the bottom is a dual density polyurethane and TPU outsole that is oil and slip resistant, and it passes the hot contact test in 150 degrees Celsius, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This boot has plenty of fresh style with all the protection you need to get you through your workday. It's from Ariat.